Giovanni with Hardscape.com. We are in Henderson, Las Vegas, Henderson, Nevada. And we're doing our first patio with our 3cm 16 by 32 Pietra Antica. So this backyard is going to look really, really nice. We want to show you guys the process. The guys are screening the sand right now, which is really important. They got their elevations, they got their pipes. Every time that the sand, the batting sand, is screed with the pipes like that, it gives you a perfect batting sand for you to install your larger format porcelain paver. Like this one will be a 16 by 32. We'll keep on bringing you guys little by little the results of the install. Giovanni, Hardscape.com. Giovanni, Hardscape.com. So on showing you guys from the beginning what an installation of our porcelain pavers look like. This patio, we're going over the existing pavers. There's no need to remove. Pavers are well done, no sinking, nice and flat. The base here is really strong. You need a jackhammer to break these, to open these holes. You see how hard the base is. So the batting sand now is being fixed. And this is for all of those that ask, what's the best way to grade your batting sand? Here it is, guys. You gotta make sure you use your rake. All right, guys, we're gonna be bringing you back more videos step by step on how to get this installation done. Thank you.